As they say, sometimes you just gotta take a step back and smell the roses. Well, in today's video, I'm going to do just that. Let's talk about why I love roller coasters. It seems like a simple question, but at the same time has a multifaceted reason. There isn't one simple thing that explains my passion of roller coasters. We all get carried away talking about the latest and greatest thrill machine, or why we think that the new major investment isn't going to be as good as the park claims. This list could go on. How about I just talk about everything that I love about roller coasters? First reason is super simple, it's for the thrill. Every roller coaster is designed to thrill, regardless if it's super intense or a more tame family attraction. They're all made to entertain us for the average of like 2 minutes. Of course, this reason can be broken down into many smaller reasons. I love the feeling of the strong G-forces crushing me in my seat as I accelerate down a hydraulic launch coaster, the insane ejector airtime trying to launch me into space on a prefabricated wooden coaster. There, of course, are the incredible inversions we will find on a B&M invert, snappy and forceful. Who doesn't love some incredible sustained floater on a hypercoaster or the speed on a Giga? Being thrilled on a roller coaster is what will keep us getting back in line time after time. You know, another reason I love roller coasters is simply the sounds they make. Who doesn't get pumped up whenever they hear the hum of an LSM launch on Cdhiddendir, the crazy fart noises people like to call it when the upstop wheels are activated on El Toro. The classic B&M roar as the train rumbles down the track on Afterburn. These are all incredible core memory sounds that will take us back to our first ride. Just the simple clacking sound of the lift chain pulling up a classic aero roller coaster up the lift brings me back to my childhood. Next, how about the artistic side of coasters? Not only are they incredible thrill machines, but they look so cool. Fury 325 at Carowinds is an impressive structure that you can get up close to. It's massive. The twisted track going everywhere, it makes that shape of the treble clef. This is an amazing structure. I'm also a huge fan of the arch support on Intimidator 305. It reminds me somewhat of the St. Louis arch, but yeah, it's very neat looking. My only complaint is I just can't get closer unless I'm physically on the roller coaster, but anyways, the artistic side of a roller coaster goes well beyond just the shape of the structure, but also how it incorporates the land. Phantom's Revenge, piercing through Thunderbolt while diving down into the valley, Time Traveler does something similar by taking that crazy vertical drop right out of the station and into its valley below. We also have that well thought out theming elements that add that extra layer of charm. All the mountain themed coasters at Disney look fantastic. I'm a huge fan of the splashdown elements we find on various dive coasters. Manta at SeaWorld Orlando using the water by swooping down low, almost letting riders reach out and touch it as you fly by. And finally, who doesn't love a good tunnel on a roller coaster? Everyone in the train has to scream and holler as you fly through a dark tunnel on a roller coaster. Finally, a key component to why we love roller coasters is going to be the people we ride with. Our family and friends who are strapped in with you can make or break our coaster riding experience. When you're riding a roller coaster with someone enthusiastic, it just puts you in the right mindset. Sometimes it can turn a quote-unquote bad roller coaster into a fun experience.
Whoa!
It's me, Margaret!
Being able to ride roller coasters with my daughter also really changes the experience. You get to enjoy every moment, seeing her having fun on one of your favorite roller coasters, priceless moments. Well, I just wanted to keep this video very upbeat and positive. What are things that you love about roller coasters? Let me know all about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, and as always, subscribe. That way you continue to get more great content brought to you by Extreme Thrills.